Students, today we are going to learn Geography, chapter number 9, Agriculture. Yesterday we studied about the activities related to agriculture. They are animal husbandry, beekeeping, pisciculture, sericulture, nursery. Today we are going to learn types of farming. The following types of farming have evolved due to geographical and cultural diversity, technological differences, purpose and aims of farming, methods of farming, the crops being cultivated, the techniques used, land use, etc. The first type, subsistence farming. Subsistence farming is also called traditional farming. Traditional farming have two subtypes. They are intensive farming and shifting cultivation. Intensive farming. Intensive farming is carried out in one and the same farm for years together. It is mostly seen in developing regions. Shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation is a primitive type of cultivation. In this type of farming, every year a new area is chosen for cultivation. After a specific period of time, old areas are again used for cultivation. People involved in shifting cultivation also practice allied occupation. Allied means here related to that. Commercial farming. Commercial farming is another type of farming. The following are three subtypes of commercial farming. Extensive grain farming. This type of farming is carried out with the help of machines. Means machines are used for this farming. A single crop cultivation is also the striking feature of this type of cultivation. Means only one crop is cultivated in this type of farming. This type of farming is also mainly carried out in the temperate grassland regions. Plantation farming. This type of farming is mainly practiced in hilly tracts. Local manpower plays an important role in this type of farming. A single crop cultivation is the main feature of this farming. This type of farming is practiced in tropics. It is practiced in India and other South Asian countries like Africa, South and Central America. Market gardening. This type of cultivation is developed in modern times. In this type of farming, farmers cultivate vegetables and other items in the vicinity of urban centers to cater the demands of the city dwellers. This type of farming is also known as truck farming. The subtype of market gardening, horticulture. In this type of farming, modern as well as traditional methods are used. Different native and exotic fruits are cultivated in fruit farming. In the cities like Mahabaleshwar, Pachgani, Pune, Nagpur, Jalgaon, Nashik, etc. of the Maharashtra, Horticulture is practiced on a large scale. Countries having Mediterranean climate, France, Italy, etc., are famous for fruit farming. Horticulture means here fruit farming. Floriculture. In this type of farming, modern as well as traditional methods are used. A variety of flowers are grown in this type of farming. Countries having Mediterranean climate, France, Italy, etc., are famous for floriculture. Floriculture means here flower farming.